Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best streaming media players that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Roku Premier Streaming Media Player. Over here, there is another streaming media player from Roku called Roku Premier. This 2018 model is black and weighs around 1.3 ounces. You can use it with Alexa to control this device by voice control. This streaming media player requires 2 AAA batteries and consumes power from 5 volts up to 1A. With this Roku streaming media device, you are able to watch Apple TV and Disney Plus and other streaming media with endless entertainment streams like free TV, sports, live news, talk shows, award-winning ceremonies, events, blockbusters without paying any cable bills. Adding to that, you also have access to many top streaming media like Prime Video, Netflix, Sling TV and thousands of other famous channels. Moreover, this streaming media player provides an incredible picture and value with clarity and details no matter the quality of video your TV is like. HD, HDR and 4K. Furthermore, you can set up the streaming media device by just connecting to the internet and HDMI cable. Additionally, the remote control is simple and easy to use. You can also use private listening features on your phone with Roku Mobile to adjust the volume. Lastly, this streaming media player will automatically update the software. Moving on at number 4, we have the Roku Express HD 2022 streaming media player. One spot under Roku Premier, we have another streaming media player from Roku called Roku Express HD. This 2022 model is black and weighs around 1.1 ounces. For the cost of $30 without extra fee, you can own this Roku Express with fast HDMI cable. In this Roku streaming media device, you don't have to pay for any Roku channels such as Apple TV and Disney Plus and other streaming media with endless entertainment streams like free TV, sports, live news, talk shows, award-winning ceremonies, events, blockbusters plus more than 500 movies and TV programs. Adding to that, there are many other top streaming media such as Netflix, HBO, Showtime, Prime Video, Google Play and Hulu with paid and free channels. Moreover, it is very easy and quick to set up this product by just connecting it with HDMI cable and the internet. Furthermore, the remote control is simple and easy with shortcuts features. Additionally, this Roku streaming media player is very compatible with Alexa to ensure that you can control the device using voice control. At number 3, we have the Amazon Fire TV Cube streaming media player. Another best streaming media player that you should consider is this Amazon Fire TV Cube. If you purchase this product, you will get a year subscription to cooking classes of Food Network shows. Moreover, it will come with Fire TV Cube, Alexa remote, power adapter, marketing and quick start guide, infrared, IR, cable, and Ethernet adapter. This streaming media player is one of the fastest and powerful in the market. It is very compatible with Alexa for when you turn the TV on or off, pause or play and adjust the lights by voice control. You also can control your TV by just pressing the buttons on the Alexa remote. Although you turn the TV off, you can use Alexa to turn off or on the light, look up the weather and more. This streaming media player supports TV such as 4K Ultra, Dolby Vision, HDR10+ and normal HDR. Adding to that, the product has many best streaming media such as YouTube, HBO, Apple TV, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Netflix and more. Besides that, there are free streaming media such as IMDb TV, Pluto, and more. Additionally, you can turn off the microphone to enhance your privacy, and use Amazon Prime to watch movies and TV programs like Hannah. At number 2, we have the NVIDIA Shield TV streaming media player. We have one of the best streaming media players on the market from NVIDIA called the NVIDIA Shield. This product offers 2 editions. One has only a remote and another one has a remote plus controller. It is black and with nearly 9 ounces. Moreover, it has an option that comes with a TV stand. NVIDIA Shield TV is very compatible with Alexa that allows you to voice control your TV. Furthermore, it runs super fast and multi-purpose that allows you to stream, play games, be a smart home and use media servers. If it is fully customized, it will produce more smarter features. Adding to that, it works well with 4K HDR that can turn your home into a superb home theater. With an unlimited entertainment application such as TV shows, movies, music, Chromecast apps and games, you will never run out of things to do with it. Additionally, it is very companionable with Google such as Google Photos, Google Assistant, Google Home, Google Play and Google Assistant to turn your home into a smart home. And finally at number 1, we have the TiVo streaming media player. We have a streaming media player called TiVo Mini Vox. This product is black and weighs around 12.5 ounces. With this streaming media player, you can increase your DVR experiences to another level with an easy setup to 4 Kelvin's Ultra Solution TV. Moreover, it can be used with Wi-Fi through TiVo USB adapter or a cable connection with normal TiVo Bridge adapter or Plus adapter. Furthermore, you can use voice control easily to search live TV, streaming apps and DVR recordings from anywhere inside your house. Besides getting 4K Ultra Solution and control modes such as Quick Mode and Skip Mode, it also provides free TV service subscription. You will be able to watch many top streaming media such as Netflix, Hulu, HBO Go, Prime Video, Pandora and more. Additionally, there are many compatible devices that can improve the experience of TiVo Mini Vox such as TiVo Edge, TiVo Bolt and TiVo Romeo. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.